Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. I'm gonna be very straightforward to this video because I want to get to the installation. So this is a short intro. What I need to do, I need to get my truck clean. Since I moved to the new house, you know, I think it has been 2 months that I don't get a car wash. So it's time to clean, and then we're gonna work with the cold air intake. Finally, I know we were excited, me too, so roll the clip. Alright, boys, the truck is clean. I'd say it's clean enough. It's not by any means how to do a really good car wash, but I needed to do. She looks way better right now. I still have to vacuum there inside, take care of the bed as well, but so far it's looking better. Again, by any means it's a super detailed car wash. It's just I need it, I want to do, and I mean, it's the best I can get. Sometimes I don't know about the state you guys live, but here in Jersey sometimes you pay a lot for a car wash. To be honest, it's worse than what I just did. But the goal here was just get the truck as clean as possible. But without further ado, we're gonna install finally we're gonna install the cold air intake. I'll leave on the description below the link. So here's one thing before we start. I posted probably, I don't know, a couple of months ago that I bought that cold air intake, and a lot of people were saying, I can't believe you're gonna do this. Why? It's not good for your car, blah 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 blah. But the reality is, I'm not sure if I will keep it, but I want to try. I really want to try. I think that's I saw some review. I think that's gonna give a better sound to the truck, and it also increase a little bit the horsepower. I'll do one thing for you guys. We're gonna install today, and I'd say a month from now we're gonna do kind of a review. What are my feelings, what I think of after using that, because then I can have an honest opinion. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start the truck, and so we can compare the sounds before and after. Let's do it. Okay, here is the before. So I hope you guys could hear, but yeah, nothing special, just a stock 2017 Chevy Colorado. Let's see, by the reviews I read, it's gonna change a lot. Let's see. So let's open the box. yeah, that's what we have so far. Here we have the instructions on what I'm definitely gonna need. instructions. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Did you learn it? I'm kidding. So in fact, I'm just kidding. So in fact, the first thing I need to know it's read to see, so I don't make any mistakes. Should be pretty easy, I hope. But I like to do step by step. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood and we're gonna remove whatever we need, and we go from there. First thing we need to do is lose this one. Got you. You have to remove this. There's a screw back there that I'm not gonna be able to show you, and there's one here, and you also have to remove that one in there, you see, and then we should be able to take that. Let me put it, you guys, here. Okay, update. I removed the cover. Just if you follow the instructions, should be pretty straightforward. Now I'm removing the filter itself. It's here. We need this sensor here, so we need a torque. I think it's 10. I'm not sure, but we're gonna get it. Man, it's horrible doing things with one hand. There we go. So that's what we need. That's the sensor. There you go. This goes in here. Should fit perfect. Yep. You guys can see it. I have to remove those. So on the instructions, you have 5 of those screws. You have to attach this part to the chute. So there's a screw here. I don't know if you guys can see it. You have to remove it. So keeping that in mind.
Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem.
Okay, guys, we have a problem. So AFE, they sent me the wrong part. As you guys can see here, that's the L, and L here should be 0501331. They send me the 0501332, and what happened is that part should fit in there, but look, it's way like bigger, and well, unfortunately I cannot finish the installation. So I was halfway through it, and when I got here I was like, oh dude, what I'm gonna do? So I will try to reach out them and see if they can send me just that part. But I want to post the video anyway so they can see it. There we go. So I will record the video so they can see that I was almost done with the installation, but unfortunately I cannot do it with the wrong part. I think I can read the warranty to see what they have. Unfortunately, we are running a risk here because here's the warranty. So I will try to reach out to them, and I will post the video. Here say intake system 2 years, so I should be good to go. Actually, I don't want the entire new thing. I just want the part that I can install there. So yeah, unfortunately we cannot install. I will put everything back in stock, and yeah, I'm sad, dude. I'm really sad. That's not what I wanna happen, but sometimes in life you have to deal with those things, and I'll put it back together, and I have other stuff to show you guys. So yeah, boys, it's back to stock. Unfortunately, I put everything back together. I'll try to reach out the company and see what they say. I mean, it is what it is. People make mistake. Unfortunately, I was super excited to install that. Unfortunately, it didn't work. But I have one thing to show you if you guys are interested. I was looking for a mount for my phone for a long time, and I found the Pro clip, which it's really cool. You just slide your phone in there and stay beautiful, and you can adjust if you want. So yep, perfect. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to check it out, it's really simple to install. That goes, yeah, unfortunately I cannot show, but that goes in there. So, and it's very clean, very nice. And yep, that's it, boys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Unfortunately, it's not clickbait. I just realized when I was installing the cold air intake. I'm super sad, but it is what it is. I have to deal with. And I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing lives. So follow me on Instagram, and then we'll see. So I got the bar light, so stay tuned for the next video. As always, boys, thank you so much, and don't forget, enjoy your life.